Hello everyone, this is me Tazul Haq, and I am here to explain a chapter. Chapter name is crop protection and its management. Student of Noble English Lab. First of all, first topic is crop. Plants of the same kind which are grown in same field, cultivated and on a large scale are known as called crops. There are two types of crops: rabi crops and kharif crops. Kharif crops, it crops which are shown in the rainy seasons, June to September, are called kharif crops. Example: paddy, maize, sugarcane, etc. Rabi crops, the crops which are shown in winter seasons, October to March, are called rabi crops. Example: wheat, pea, grain, etc. And third topics is agriculture practice. Agriculture practice, a farmers which are activities are carried out by the farmer to ensure good crops yield on as a particular sequence till the crop matter and harvest are known as agriculture practice. Preparation of soil is the first step before growing a crop. Flogging and tilling, process of losing and tilling of the turning of the soils is called flogging and tilling. Flog are made up of irons and also wood. Agriculture implements, the tools required for carrying out the activities as involved in the cultivations of plants known as agriculture implement. And leveling, tilling soil may have big crumbs. Crumbs are broken down and the soil is leveled with wooden plants or iron levelers. This process is called leveling. Sowing, the process of putting the seeds in the soil, is known as sowing. Adding and manure fertilizer, adding and manure substance are added to the like nutrients for plants are called manure or fertilizer. Manure has a more humus to compare than, and fertilizer is does not manure. And it also, manure is a number of friendly microbes increase and enhance the water holding capacity of soil. Difference between fertilizer and manure. Fertilizer is a inorganic and man-made substance. Fertilizer is a prepare factories in factories. Fertilizer does not provide any humus to the soil. Manure is a natural substance obtained by the decomposition of cattle, dung, plants, residues. Manure is prepared in the fields. Manure provides a lot of humus of the soils. And next topic is crop rotations. Different types of crops which are grown in the same field is called crop rotation. Irrigation, the process of supplying of water to the crops of different intervals, is called irrigations. And there are generally two types of irrigation: modern method and traditional method. Traditional method um, dams, rivers, ponds, etc. And modern methods like drip systems, sprinkle system. And next topic is weeding. Removal of weeds or undesirable plants is called weeding. Weeds, they are unwanted plants which are grow along with cultivated crops in a field, is called weed. Examples like Pathnium and Chenophodia. Weedicides. Weeds are controlled by using certain chemicals are called weedicides. And next topic is harvestings. Cutting and gathering of huge amounts of maturation of crops, after maturation of crops, is called harvesting. And next topic is threshing. Threshing, in the harvested crops, the grain seeds need to separate it from the chaff. This process of leading out the grain from the crops is called threshing. Winnowing, in the process, the grains, chaffs, mixtures is good, usually dropped on the ground from height. The harvested seeds fall vertically, grown will the lighter chaffs is blown away from by wind.